Week 2 is recovering a sense of identity. Today is day 2 of week 2. So in week 2, I have to read the principles in the morning and in the evening after my morning pages. So yeah. Day 3 of week 2. Is last day of week 2. Week 2 has been a little inconsistent for me. I thought this week was gonna be more consistent, but it was a little bit of a mess. I did not do my morning pages for 2 days, and the one of the tasks, I think I wanna finish these things of week 2 and then only start with week 3. I just don't wanna start overlapping. So the task I'll be doing today, and then I'll look at what to do for the artist day, possibly tomorrow, and then I'll be done with week 2. Don't really like it when I break the flow of my morning pages and stuff like that, but I think it's okay. Like, it happened. I'm gonna try to be consistent in week 3, like properly now. 2 is officially over, and I really liked this week. It was really fun. I was figuring out stuff like what I like doing, what I should do more, and stuff that I've not been giving myself for a while and I should be doing in that sense. The tasks were really fun. It was about making your safe circle, like figuring out your safe circle, and also figuring out like people or things that you're not feeling like the safest with. People you should not be sharing your goals with, and people you don't feel safe sharing them with, or like places also that are not safe for your like mindset that you're developing through this process. And then there was a task where we had to first of all write like the 5 top things that we did in our week, like the things that we spent most of our time in. I spent most of my time doing, and then figuring out like which one of those things I actually like, which I'm doing for like the pleasure of other people, which are responsibilities and stuff like that, which was fun to figure out. Now I know like what things require more time and energy, and then I had to write 20 things I enjoy doing, like activities or like just like experiences as well. So I'm done writing that as well. So I'll be doing mine is driving in the rain, which I did for my artist date. I don't really have footage of that because I was like in the rain. And other than that, we can use like the 20 things that I enjoy doing. Like some of them I've not done for like years now or months, and I can use them as my inspiration for artist date for the coming weeks. I'm excited for the coming weeks now, and I'm gonna be reading the week 3 process, and I'm done with my week 2. Yeah, I'm done with my life pie, which was the circle, and yeah, I'm done with the 10 tiny changes that we have to make, that I would like to make as well. So the only issues I faced with week 2 was being inconsistent in the middle. Like, it's not no excuse, but I was pretty distracted for 2 days, so I made up for it. But I'm gonna be consistent in week 3. But I did do my principles and my affirmations every day though. Morning pages were missed twice. Yeah.